Okay, so this is a short video tutorial on how to access your student portal and log into your virtual music room. So you want to make sure you go to Contemporary School of the Arts, click on Login. You want to use the email that you use to register. Put your password in and click Login. Once you log in, you're going to see a page that looks something like this. You'll see your name in the upper left corner. You'll see a welcome. This is very normal. This is your dashboard. You'll see here's what's scheduled this week. So if you have a lesson coming up this week, you'll see it here. You can also use this arrow to look further into the future. So let's say today is your lesson and you're ready to log on. So you can come here and click the virtual music room, and if you click that, you will notice automatically that Zoom opens up. That's where all of our classes will be held if you're online. And you just follow the prompts, and that's how we will meet. Another option is to go to Calendar, look for your lesson, click on the date, and then click Virtual Music Room. So those are the two options that you can use to get access or to access your virtual music room. Hopefully you found that helpful.